doing some cable orging or whatever with my nice little cable comb I printed a while ago. These things, especially this size, you're expected to pay about at least $100, somewhere between $80 to $100 to bundle. I want to say this thing could bundle 50 because right here this is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's still a little room for one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 15 right here. So yeah, I think this can bundle just 50. But today, as you can see, when I dropped my camera, I wasn't kidding. You wouldn't be from the video because the sensor and everything was not so much. And well, I upload my videos through the port here, so when you plug it in, a little pop-up screen comes up to connect it to a computer or little PTZ header that you could get. Connect a little motorized PTZ thing to the bottom here, and then that to your PTZ. But anyways, it's still functional, but now when I go to upload it from the USB port, I had to blindly just press the broken screen I can't see shit from. And that does mean no more protest videos, unfortunate, because well, kinda have to see what you're recording if you're gonna get some good recordings, do your deed or whatever. But it is what it is. I'm planning on getting one that could shoot 4K anyways. It's gonna be it's a Blackmagic, it's a 4K camera. Well, it's 4K if you record to like a hard drive, but SD side, then it's HD, but with the HDI or the SDI connectors or whatever, so I can learn a new protocol.